Okay, Papa.
I don't drink the water. I don't drink it. I don't take the tea. But I don't have. I want to go to there. That's why.
Really?
And that's how to work. And Jesus was at the double one.
Okay.
I saw one in the double and the double bent me, but God helped me.
Oh,
I did that.
you're so cute. Hey, yes, Papa. Really?
Yeah. I did that when I was together.
Oh, thank God. I love you, Papa.
Mommy, I want to tell you something.
Okay, Papa.
One bucket, yeah. But the one somewhere to Jesus.
We're back alive.
Yeah? But the one somewhere else. To another one. To a Jesus one. What are you talking about?
Guys, I've been having a good chat with my
Good child.
a good chat with my man. Hey, Jesus, a year hot for my bikini. Yeah, that's my haircut. Oh, thank you, Papa. You're so cute. Thank you. Please go and keep my haircut back, please. Thank you. What happened?
I'm struggling right now, look. I already did.
Good job, Papa.
I'm so tired.
It's not easy. How many numbers did you write? You still checking? You went right up to 50? You're the baddest boy ever.
Mommy. Okay, my book, yeah?
Yes, Papa. Keep your book there. Come and check it. Good job. Papa?
So long, I didn't even go.
Yeah, that's why you have so much sense.